Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use SparkPeople for fitness challenges, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with SparkPeople for fitness challenges, first, visit the SparkPeople website. Create an account by clicking on the Join Us button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a password. Once you've created your account, log in to access the dashboard. Navigate to the Challenges section on the main menu. Browse through the available challenges to find one that interests you. Click on the challenge to view the details and requirements. Take note of the start date, duration, and any specific goals involved. If you decide to join, click the Join Challenge button. You may be asked to set some personal goals related to the challenge. After joining, familiarize yourself with the challenge interface. Check daily for updates, tasks, and encourage fellow participants through comments. As you progress, log your activities and results in the designated area. Use the community forums to share your experiences and ask questions. Participation in the forums can help you stay motivated. At the end of the challenge, review your results and reflect on your progress. Celebrate any achievements, no matter how small. Consider joining another challenge to keep the momentum going. Regular participation can enhance your fitness journey with accountability and support. Stay engaged with the SparkPeople community to maximize your experience. This approach will help you utilize SparkPeople effectively for fitness challenges. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.